Hey everyone, so I'm going to be making these red lobster biscuits I found at Aldi. So I'm not sure if they sell these anywhere else. I've only seen them at Aldi. So if you want, you can go ahead and Google them and see where they're at in your area. But I have went to Red Lobster before for just these biscuits. Whatever else I get is fine as long as I get the biscuits. So I'm going to make these and see if they taste exactly like the Red Lobster biscuits. And actually I have made these a few times before in the past. But I always kind of like change up the recipe and do my own thing with it. So this time I'm going to follow the recipe exactly. Add the mix and whatever cheese you have. That's what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to add the water. Okay, so here's what the biscuits look like on the box. So that's what they're telling you they're supposed to look like. And here's how mine turned out. I just poured the butter mixture on and they turned out really good. They do taste identical. So if you guys don't have this brand in your area, maybe you can Google it and see where you can get it. But if you're new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe. I'm thinking about doing a cooking show for like beginners. I mean the very basic, simple things. I was going to call the series like something like cooking for kids or preteens, but a beginner can be any age. I mean, you can start cooking at age 30. You never know. If someone's never cooked a day in their life, they might want to know how to cook the basic, simple things. So I think I'm going to do that. And also, I want to cook somebody's favorite recipe. So if you have a favorite food or an odd or different recipe, leave me the recipe down below in my comments and I will mention you in one of my videos, and I really, really, really want to make your favorite recipe. So if you're new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.